U.S. stocks ended higher on Wednesday after more signs of cooling inflation and an upbeat forecast from retailer Target. The Dow gained nearly 0.5%, while the S&P 500 and Nasdaq ticked up fractionally. Shares of Target surged nearly 18% in their biggest one-day percentage gain since 2019 after the retailer forecast fourth-quarter profit largely above expectations. Target's bright outlook also helped lift shares of Macy's, which rose 7.5%, and Kohl's, which closed up almost 9%. The Commerce Department on Wednesday said retail sales fell for the first time in 7 months in October, but not as much as economists had expected. September's strong sales figures were revised upward. Other data out Wednesday showed the biggest decline in wholesale prices in 3.5 years in October, offering more evidence of easing inflation, a trend that should continue, says Sam Stovall, chief investment strategist at CFRA Research.
Our expectation is that inflation will continue its stair-step down to about the 2.2% year-on-year change for the core PCE, the personal consumption expenditure reading that the Fed likes to look at. So between now and this time next year, our feeling is that we will be substantially lower. There could be a month or two in which we end up with flat readings. I don't really expect any backward movements, meaning uptick in inflation along the way.
Among other movers, shares of Walt Disney rose 3% after reports said activist investor Value Act Capital had acquired a stake. Not all retailers saw a lift Wednesday, as shares of TJX fell more than 3% after it forecast current quarter profit below Wall Street expectations. And SiriusXM shares rallied 6% after Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway took a stake in the audio entertainment company.